Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create kit subscribers from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads. So I am running a digital marketing agency and I'm promoting my agency with the help of LinkedIn lead gen ads. Now what I want is that whenever a new lead submitted my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically by using the detail of that form submission, or I'm going to use the detail of my lead, and automatically by using those details, I want to create a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to build a connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and Kit. So for doing this automatically, I'm going to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically with the help of that lead detail, I will create a new subscriber in Kit. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Kit subscriber from LinkedIn lead gen form leads. So I'm a owner of a digital marketing agency and I use LinkedIn lead gen forms to capture potential clients who shows interest in my services. So by integrating these leads into a Kit platform, I can automatically create a personalized follow-up system, sending tailored messages and promotional offers or scheduling calls. And this not only saves me time, but also ensures that every lead is nurtured effectively. So this will be improving my chances of converting them into loyal clients. So here what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically by using the detail of that lead, I will create a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here I want to do this automatically. For that, I need to simply build a connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and Kit, and that too without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Kit subscriber from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab, I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to click on create. And here it will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here I'm going to use LinkedIn lead gen forms as my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select LinkedIn lead gen forms here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new lead gen form response is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection. And now here I have to click on connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. Now here I have successfully connected LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And here I have these two tabs of account and lead form. Now here what I need to do is I need to first select my account where I'm running my ad campaign, and I need to select the lead form through which I'm going to receive the new leads. So for selecting my account, I need to open this tab, and in this I'm going to find all the accounts that I'm running on my LinkedIn lead gen forms. So I'm going to select this Pabbly's ad account here. So this is my account where I'm running my ad campaign through which I'm going to receive the leads for my digital marketing agency. And now I need to select the particular lead form through which I'm going to receive the new leads. So for selecting my lead form, I need to open this tab, and in this I'm going to find all the lead forms that I've created in my lead campaign, and I can use the particular lead through which I want to receive the new leads. So I'm going to select the particular lead form, and now I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to generate a new lead, and as I will generate a new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically I'm going to receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to first generate a new lead, and here I'm going to receive that response of that lead within the next 10 minutes because this is a polling based response. So for generating a new lead, I'm going to take you to my LinkedIn lead ads account, and here in my LinkedIn lead ads account, I'm not running any ad campaign, but I've created a test ad campaign through which I'm going to generate a test lead so that I can show you how you can set up the connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and Pabbly Connect, and you can get the responses of new leads. So here I've created this test campaign, and in this particular test campaign, I have added a new LinkedIn lead gen form through which I'm going to generate a test lead. So I'm going to click here, and here this is my test ad, and now I'm going to open my form, and here this is my LinkedIn lead gen form. Now here, as I'm generating a test lead, so I have this pre-filled details, like I have the first name that is Pabbly, I have the last name that is Subscription Billing Management Service, I have my company name that is Magnet Brains, and here I have these two details of email address and the phone number. So here I have to fill these details. So I'm generating a test lead, so I'm going to fill the dummy details here. So my email here will be dummy1user@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and here I have filled all the required details. Now these are going to be my lead details, and here for creating a new lead, I'm going to click on this submit button. And here we can see I've successfully generated this new lead, and I've created this form submission. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now here in Pabbly Connect, I have to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of the new lead that I have just generated, and these are my test lead detail. And I have received all these details through my ad campaign that I'm running through LinkedIn lead ads. So here I have all these details of my form submission, and here I have the email address that is dummy1user@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my lead. Also I have the first name that is Pabbly, I have the last name that is Subscription Billing Management Service, and I have my company name that is Magnet Brains. So here we can see that these are all the details of my form submission that I have received through LinkedIn lead gen forms, and I have received all these details here in Pabbly Connect. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response, and within the next 10 minutes, you are going to receive the responses of your leads that you are going to generate through LinkedIn lead gen forms, and automatically whenever you are going to get a new generated lead through LinkedIn lead gen forms, then within the next 10 minutes, you are going to receive the response of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. So these 10 minutes are the polling time of LinkedIn lead gen forms, and for every new lead that you are going to generate through LinkedIn lead gen forms, you're going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have received all these details of my form submission, and I have received all these details of my lead, now what I want to do is I want to use all these details of my lead, and automatically by using the detail of my form submission and my lead, I need to create a new subscriber in my Kit account. So for automatically creating a new Kit subscriber, I need to set up my actions tab, and here I need to search for my action application that is going to be Kit. Now I'm going to select Kit here, and I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add subscriber to a sequence is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Kit with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection. And now for connecting Kit with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key and the API secret. So for getting these details, I need to first log into my Kit account, and after login, I need to go to account settings, where I'm going to find my API key and the API secret. So for getting these details, I'm going to take you to my Kit account, and here I'm going to open my profile, and in profile, I'm going to go to settings. Now here in settings, I need to scroll down, and here I have to open developer option. So I'm going to open that. And here in developer option, we can see I have my API key and the API secret. So I need to get all these details, and I need to copy these details from here, and I need to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these details from here and I'm going to add that in my Pabbly Connect account. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have added the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully connected Kit with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a subscriber, I need to fill all these details. And first I need to select my sequence where I need to add my subscriber. Now here for selecting my sequence, what I need to do is I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to find all the sequences that I have in my Kit account, and I can use any particular sequence where I need to create my subscriber. So I'm going to select the sequence of LinkedIn leads. So I'm going to select that. And now in this particular sequence, I'm going to add my new subscribers. So here for that, I need to fill all these details. And for that, I'm going to use all my response of LinkedIn lead gen forms. And from that response, I'm going to get my lead details and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So here I need to first give the email address of my lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use mapping here. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of LinkedIn lead gen forms. And here, this is the email address of my lead. So I'm going to map that. Now similarly, I'm going to map the first name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of LinkedIn lead gen forms. And here, this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map that. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. And I'm going to map the mobile number. Now here I have filled all the required details that I need, and I have filled all the detail of my lead to create a new subscriber in my Kit email sequence. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And with every new lead that I'm going to receive through LinkedIn lead gen forms, I will create a new subscriber in Kit account. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully created a new subscriber in my Kit sequence, and I have created this new subscriber by using all the detail of my lead that I have received through LinkedIn lead gen forms. So to check whether I've created a new subscriber or not, let me take you to Kit. And here in Kit, I will go to Grow. And in Grow, I have this option of subscribers. So I'm going to open that. And here we can see I have created this new subscriber that has the name as Pabbly. So this is the first name of my subscriber, and I have the email that is dummy1user@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to open this subscriber. And here I have all these details of my subscriber. So I have the first name that is Pabbly, I have the last name that is Subscription Billing Management Service, I have the random phone number, and I have the email address that is dummy1user@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that these are all the details that I have received through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, and these are the details of my lead that I have generated through LinkedIn lead ads. And as I have received a new lead detail through LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically by using the detail of my lead, I have created a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here I have successfully and automatically created a new subscriber in my Kit sequence, and I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically by using the detail of that lead, it will create a new subscriber in my Kit sequence, and now it will automatically update my email sequence in my Kit account. Now with every new lead, I will update my email list. So here we can see that I've successfully created this automation. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I've connected LinkedIn lead gen forms with Kit to automatically create Kit subscriber from LinkedIn lead gen forms leads. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was LinkedIn lead gen forms, and my trigger event was new lead gen form response. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was Kit, and my action event was add subscriber to a sequence. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.